So what is the MxM News app and how does it work? So yeah, I just found that this app was like in top charts in the App Store and number one in the news category in the US App Store. So this app claims to offer news articles that cut through censorship and mainstream bias. And yeah, of course, like on my I'm thinking just there is a massive demand for like this kind of neutral news app, and it's like a super difficult task to do that. Of course, there are like Apple News and Google News. Maybe this app will also do something around that. So I just downloaded, and we will do a quick overview how this app looks like. Uh, so there you have it. So that's the app. The app's launch was first reported on by Axios on March 22. This app references minute by minute. And rather than creating and publishing its own articles, minute by minute news app is an aggregation app that scores the internet for articles from other publications, so you can find them all in one place. So yep, that's about it. I just don't know like what's the the difference actually between Google News and Apple News, because this app, minute by minute news app, it doesn't provide its own news. It just collects again news from all other websites. So how it can like claim that news on other websites are also neutral? But maybe there is some algorithm, hopefully, that can decide these are news from this spectrum of websites and these are the news from that spectrum of websites and all of that. So yep. So after creating a link in your account, minute by minute news site asks you to select topics which you're interested in. So anyways, let's just open up the app. So here is the app itself, minute by minute, and here's how it looks like. Super simple interface. If you want to, you can just see all the news. You can see swipe left, swipe right. So you can just do that. You can see all the categories: international, finance, life, culture. You can update your interests. Here are the display options. You can select light, dark. Did profile, manage notifications. You can see your bookmarks. So that's the idea. And to create an account, you can just do it with like Apple ID or Google account or Facebook or anything. So that's the app. That's how it looks like. And then you can just enable notifications and see the news like notified. But as you can see, like still the news are coming from like Daily Wire, Asia Time, Federalist, all of that. So it's still, the news are just still are taken from the regular websites. So I think there is much more potential in apps like that, just to bring their own news and making them completely neutral or something like that, because there is like a huge demand right now, I think, to make media kind of more better and much more precise. Anyways, that's the app.